So this is the last step. We're going to use the profile drawing, the elements from the profile drawing as the profile, make the active profile so we can create a 3D line. So let me write down first the start station and also the elevation of our element where our proposed profile is going to start. So let's turn off all the levels except our profile line. So that's the one. Right now it's a complex chain, but many times, I think quite often, it's just ordinary lines, so you have to connect this with the complex chain command. Now we're going to copy this into the clipboard, and let's go back to our profile drawing or our alignment file actually. This is not the correct one. Let's open the other one. So this is the file. So let's start first with the adding the correct stationing. So you can enter the stationing and 30,000. This looks like 300,000, so let's make it. So you select the start, just accept. And then you're going to select the file. Now you see your profile line with the active terrain. Um, let's enter the value first of 30,250. So there are a couple of ways you can do it with Civil Draw or just place a line with the correct stationing and the elevation. So it was 8.2666. So enter this one. So then we've got the reference where we can attach our profile line. So now we're going to paste this in, make sure the angle and the X and Y scale is the same one. So this is a 1 and so you go back to and make the acceleration 1 to 1. I think that's the easiest way. And just move your profile line, which is the 2D line from our drawing. Attach it so we've got the correct elevation, and then make it active. So once it becomes active, it will be the 3D line which you can use for your corridors. Yeah, so we've got our profile. It should be exactly the same as our. So now we go back to our plan drawing. We're going to attach a template. So here we've got the start, the end. So in OpenRoad Designer there are many templates available. Also all the subsurface utilities are there, and now we extrude it. So you see the lanes. So it's I think it's an 8-lane road. So you start always in 2D. You can also do the other one if you want, but let's go to the 3D, and you see a nice 3D model also with the pavement markings. You can increase the brightness. So now you see the barrier, which are according to the standards, and the pavement markings. So everything is there, and it's a solid based model. So this were the steps from 2D to 3D.